In this video, I show you how to fix YouTube connect to the internet. You are offline. Check your connection. Retry problem. For fixing this problem, make sure you have active internet connection. You can call your ISP, internet service provider. Then go to Play Store. Then search for YouTube. Tap on YouTube. Up to date your YouTube app if available any update version. Now search 111.vpn. Tap on it. Install. Now open it. Next, accept. Install VPN profile. Then OK. Not now. Connect. Now open YouTube app. Now I hope that this method fix YouTube connect to the internet problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to